This is a short demo for Tesco about ProgrammExpress, the web-based portfolio program and project reporting solution, specifically showing the home screen and showing the ability to apply corporate color palettes and logos and therefore your own brand identity. So I'm going to log on as an administrator. It will take us into your home screen. As an administrator, we can see all the projects that sit within programs and portfolios, and we can see all the modules within ProgrammExpress. This is just specifically demo data, and if you take ProgrammExpress, you will develop and configure your own portfolios, work streams, programs and projects. So this is a simple screen showing all the projects, showing all the modules as icons, better described through the Updates tab, as commentary, plan, resources, costs, benefits, impacts, risks and logs as the update modules. It also demonstrates that you can run reports from this screen, either reports configured yourself as your own specific user, or shared reports that have been configured by the central projects team or the program office. ProgrammExpress is all about simple input and powerful output. And in terms of the new home screen, what we can now do with project managers or users who are required to make data is filter their roles specifically for the projects and the modules that they specifically need to see or update. So very quickly, I'm going to log on again as a project manager. Same home screen and same database, but now we've got a filtered view for that specific project manager of the projects that are required to be updated and the modules that are required to be updated. In this case, commentary, plan, and risks. So for example, if I'm a project manager, I'll click and highlight the project, I'll click on the box within commentary, I would update the narrative status of the project. I'd then go back to the home screen and I'd click on the plan and I'd make updates to the plan, and then I'd make updates to the risks, and this time we'll go to the updates and we'll navigate through using the update tab. Current risks, and there for the project manager to make updates. So very simple in terms of their requirements, in terms of making the data updates. And once they've done that, they can then run their own reports again, whatever they've configured, or again, central project or program office reports that have been configured. But more than likely, the project manager will make their data updates and want to have a look at a report. In this case, the one-page summary, PowerPoint compliant report. This specifically shows the RAG status, the milestones, financial information, and the narrative commentary based on overall achieve last period, focus for next period, issues and risks, because these have what been configured for this specific report. So very simple in terms of data input. Now, in terms of information out, and I go back to be the administrator, assuming that the project managers or the users have made their updates. The administrator, again, same home screen, but they can see everything by default. They can start the health of the data. Probably will want to home in on the red statuses. And what we can do is we can hide green, showing red and amber. We can hide amber, just showing the red. So we can start to drill down and see where the problem areas are without running reports. So an example, project 1C has a red costs. Let's click on there. We go into the cost screen and we'll see that the forecast is 800,000 against a planned of 600. Variance, overspend of 200, hence red status. and we can do the same for all of the projects and offending data within modules within projects. Now also we talk about the benefit of ProgrammExpress, put powerful output at portfolio, program, workstream level. We'll use an example of portfolio. We can start running aggregated and consolidated reports. So a couple of examples, a rack status summary. So one click at the portfolio level, you can run it at any level. We'll show summary information against projects, the columns that we've for this specific report, and there we'd probably see what would be a useful weekly flash report just to keep people informed of the health and status of the portfolio. Or another example would be to run a Gantt chart report, which will show the high-level plan, again running at top level, portfolio level, showing Gantt chart style, all the plans within the projects, using the red, amber, green theme, showing that offending tasks, late tasks are red and forecasting to be late are amber. And also another view of a plan will be the milestone summary. So here, see a milestone summary report in rows, timelines of the milestones, again using the red, amber and green theme. So that's really just a very short demo to keep you posted on the developments of ProgrammExpress. And thank you very much for listening.